Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Ecuador. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Ecuador Ministry of the External Ministry. Okay, and this website is available in both English and Spanish. I go for English. So the only change I see here is like the login and register. Fine, we need to register first. So if you come here for the very first time and you don't have an account, you're going to click on sign up now. You need to put your email address and click on the send verification code, and then there'll be a box where you have to put that code, and then you have to create your password. And then when you log in, you need to submit your profile, okay? Where you need to put your first name, last name, date of birth, passport details, your gender, your email address will already be there. And then you can proceed for the application. So because I've already gone to that stage, I'm going to click on login, okay? And I'm going to log in, and then I'm going to see on your main page itself, you have the options of visa and apostilles. So we have to click on visas. Okay, so because this is the first time you're coming, you have no application here. So click on new procedure. Now you have procedures like new visa, renewal, transfer, cancellation. Okay, so I click on this. Now it's asking which kind of thing is that. I said new visa. Now it is asking like who applies. Personal application for yourself, representation on behalf of third party, or for children as a father or mother. So for yourself, you're gonna choose this. Okay. Now it is asking what kind of visa. Diplomatic, that is given to applicant. Okay. Temporary visitor for the issuance of identity card for foreigners. Temporary residence. Okay. And this is for permanent. So I select this one, temporary visitor. Select the visa type. So let's say tourist. And I select for 90 days. Activities. The values are non-refundable. Do you agree? I select yes. Fee. Okay. Some of these got auto-populated based on what I had selected. Okay. Country of birth. All these are sample values. You need to do as per your own case. City of birth. Make sure these things match with your passport. Matters. Wow. Very good. Uh, Matter status. If a disability which is registered. Okay, now you need to upload an image. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. I'm gonna do this and click on next. Then I'm gonna see you guys. So guys, I was here now. This is sample, but when you do it as per your own case and make sure everything you match at least 2 times, okay? Not just once, 2 times with your passport so that there is no issue, okay? Wow, your home details, okay? Country of residence, state. Wow. But anyway, let's go through this. Address. Do it properly, guys. Country of interview. Now, interview is not mandatory in every case, but if they want to, they can. Request country, a city. Wow. Of course, I won't be submitting this application. Yeah. Okay. Now, what are the things we need to upload? Let me see if I can translate into English. Oh, I'm sorry. The person number. This is passport. Okay. I need to translate this. Power attorney for notary document to represent foreign citizen in. Wow. Okay, this first one is not mandatory because it's not applicable in every case. Okay. Your passport is mandatory. Criminal record. So you basically police clearance certificate. Power of attorney, that's not a proof of legal means living in secondary. Okay, fine. This is also clear. Other birth method certificate if required. Travel itinerary round trip tickets. Okay. Any observation that you wanna do. Fine. So with this, your application will be like ready to be submitted. Next is gonna be the payment. And if everything goes smooth, it will be all good to go. So that is how guys it works. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.